I want to talk about why printable party products are such a hot niche. Basically, everyone loves a party, and we have a lot of different types of things we celebrate, like birthdays, holidays, weddings. And so today I want to dive into this great niche and why you want to get involved with it. So printable party products are decorations and related products that are printed to celebrate special occasions. Some occasions include birthdays, weddings, graduations, and baby showers. So in the olden days, you used to have to go to a store or go to a printer if you wanted to get different types of customized or even just generic things for your any type of party or celebration. But nowadays, we have a lot more options to print them out, and that's much better because you save money, avoid wastage, and so forth. So technology is really allowing people to print these out, so it's a great niche to get involved with. And some advantages of creating and selling these include low startup costs, no inventory, generate passive income because once you put these listings up, people just download them automatically. And there is almost, I would say, unlimited niches in reach just because there's so much demand for so many types of occasions and parties. These are really growing in popularity, as I mentioned, partially because of the technology. So, and also, I think just because people want to get things right away as well. So again, you might have to go to the store or order something from a commercial printer and it could take a while. Whereas with the printing technology we have now, people can just download these at home within minutes and have them. So it's just really is a good fit. So the average American actually throws 7 parties a year, spending over $1,400 a year. So that's an average. Some people don't do that. Some people spend more, but it is definitely something where people are buying and spending and they need the products for that. So there's a lot of sellers on Etsy that sell these types of products. And most of the popular sellers do start in a specific niche, which is what I recommend. You start in a niche, whether you're doing something like graduation or bridal parties or something like that. And a lot of times, too, they'll also offer products that are customizable. And that's also not something that's super difficult now with today's technology and tools. So, for example, Mod Party is a popular Etsy seller that has over 1 million sales and more than 117,000 reviews. And they're really just focused on products geared toward party celebrations like weddings and baby showers. So if you'd like to learn more about how to get started with this, check out my training, Easy Party Printables, where I share how to create these. And I also give you done-for-you templates so you can get started very quickly. And this is great if you want to get involved with this niche without having to do a lot of extra work and you want to get up and running fast. So you can get the link below. Thanks.